Natureboyy here. It's 4th of July weekend, and you know what that means. Dogfish. The waters are pretty calm right now, the boat traffic's really died down, and in these summer months when it gets warmer, the dogfish come up shallow to feed. Now they'll just be sitting right on the bottom, you put anything in front of them, they're gonna eat it. Let's go catch some dogfish. Alright, we just went over a big dogfish. Big dogfish we just went over. Oh, got a little dead bluegill for bait. Right here. Let's go catch this thing. Oh. Right here. Go right here. Should I put some more bait out? Oh, I scared him. I spooked him. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. You got big one. Yup. Here we go, Come on. All right, we're gonna run. He's gonna run. He's gonna run. Tension on the line. Oh, he's on the boat. Let's go. Yup, you're good again. Yup. Bring him in. Yup, keep running. Oh, no, he's going behind the boat. Come on. Come on, don't break the line. Don't break it. Good. Come on. This way. Oh, he's missed it. Come on. Swim this way. We got him. Oh. Big dogfish. Here we go. Big dogfish.